sure that he doesn't hurt her again.
Kick his ass.
Al, that's your ex Rose on the tape. And I'm told that you decided to call the show.
Yes.
And why is that?
Because I'm tired of the false allegations. I've been there for my daughter this entire time. We've been together 9 years. I would never do anything to hurt my daughter.
You were with who for 9 years?
Rose.
What happened last weekend?
That's not nice, is it?
Thursday, I picked my daughter
Don't
up.
do that.
Like she said, I work 6 in the morning till 2 in the afternoon.